We're all old.
Sit down, darling.
I ain't caught that many mullet in years.
You stay right there for Daddy. No, that crab will get you.
Wow.
Don't touch the crab.
Crazy. Man, that was a lot of fish, dude. 32, one throw.
Yep.
That's crazy. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have pulled it up.
Sam will help you. she loves to.
My goodness, Sam. Did you
Loves
see
the
that,
fish.
baby? That was crazy.
I'm fixing to get. No, Sam. Sam, no.
I want you to get her some mullet.
No, you know better. Oh, stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
Got it up, though. My other net's bigger than that one.
They're in there.
They still in there?
Yeah, they're there.
Throw one more time.
Throw,
I'll
hey,
give them to the neighborhood like you do.
throw right there to the right of my bucket. You'll get you
right
that full.
where you said and pull it before you get
Film
to the
right
rock.
over here, man.
Huh?
See him?
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Look, Sam. He got him. Come here, baby. Look there. 20, 30 more.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa. This is crazy.
Did we do it, Sam?
Look
We
at all the
did it.
fishies.
We did it.
Wow.
That's what I love to do. I'm catch fish like this with nets I made.
Wow.
Hey, come go ahead and get you one. I got
He
plenty.
can't even get it and it's sitting there.
Oh, he will. He's got a mouthful of rock.
Oh.
Here, dude.
That's 20 or 30 there, ain't it?
I didn't count.
Oh gosh. Dude. He's coming.
You want to let's top your cooler off? Come right here, and throw straight out. Sam, come over here out the way. I know her. We're here. I know. Right here where that break in the wall is. Hurry, Sam. Come over here out of the way. Yep. Go ahead and get you one. Come over here where she's at. Trust me, there's a little hole right there that they love to hang out in, right where the break in the wall is. There you go. All right, now get it up before it gets on them rocks. You got them right there.
Wow.
I don't feel them like I did before. Oh, I do now.
I see them.
I see
I
them.
do now. Oh my goodness.
See? You got a hole in your net.
Oh crap. That's amazing, man.
Fun, isn't it?
I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It's unlimited.